guys, hello students. This is senior college mathematics. Topic is fractions. If you are in SS1, SS2, SS3, you are preparing for WAEC, NECO, NAPTEP, GC, JAMB, any other external examination to enter higher school, this topic, this lesson, this video is for you. Sit back and watch it thoroughly. Okay, lesson 4, combined operations with fractions 2. So this is continuation of lesson 3 when we started combined operations, combining all the operations involving fractions. And to do that, you use BODMAS, the order of BODMAS, bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. All right, examples. Simplify the following. Okay, before the lesson proper, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it to your friends, your classmates. Facebook at fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get to be updated from time to time about what is going on in Petakus education community. Okay, example 17, still on the combined operations. All right, so first let's convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions, and that is this step. As you are doing that, because you must deal with bracket first, following the order of BODMAS, we have to simplify the terms, the fractions in the bracket, through addition. And the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Divide 12 by 4, you have 3. 3 times 3 is 9, is 9. Divide 12 by 3, you have 4. 4 times 1 is 4, is 4. Okay, so when you subtract, you have 5 over 12 times 13 over 3. Then this sign changes to multiplication, and you invert the fraction 10 over 3 to 3 over 10. 3 cancel 3. 5 in 5, 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is the remaining fractions after reduction. If you multiply, you have 13 over 24. This is a proper fraction. You don't change proper fraction to mixed fraction. You only change improper fractions to mixed fractions. Okay, example 18, the numerator and denominator are fractional, so you take the numerator and simplify it. If we do that, we convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 13 over 4 plus 5, 1 over 5. This is fraction addition, so you find the LCM of 4 and 5, that is 20. If you divide and multiply, you have 65 plus 4. When you add, you have 69 over 20. The denominator is two operations combined, multiplication and addition. First is to change the mixed fractions to improper fractions, Because of multiplication, you take these two fractions first. When you multiply them, 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 3, 12. If you divide, you have 1 plus 5, 7 over 5. 1 plus 7 over 5. And when you combine them, it simply means one whole number, 7 over 5. If you convert to mixed improper fraction, you have 12 all over 5. Or you can as well add 1 plus 7 over 5. and that is 12 over 5. The numerator, you bring it 69 over 20 divide by denominator 12 over 5. Division sign changes to multiplication, and you invert 12 over 5 to be 5 over 12. After reduction, you have this, you have this. When you multiply, you have 13 over 16. 13 over 16. Okay? Example 19. 3 whole number 1 over 3 plus 1 whole number 5 over 9 minus 1 whole number 1 over 3 of 2. Here we'll do two things. As the mixed fractions are being changed to improper fraction, let's also convert of to multiplication. That is the step you have here, changing the mixed fractions to improper fractions, then of, which implies multiplication. From the rule of BODMAS, you have to multiply first. That is taking these two numbers together. So 4 times 2 is 8 over 3. The remaining two operations can be combined, addition and subtraction. So you find the LCM of 3, 9 and 3, and that is 9. Okay, divide 9 by 3, you have 3. 3 times this 10, you have 30. Divide 9 by 9, you have 1. 1 times 14, 14. Divide 9 by this 3, you have 3. Divide 9 by, okay, divide 9 by 9, you have 3. You have 3, okay? Alright, so the denominator 9 divided by this 3, you have 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So you have 30 plus 14 minus 24 all over 9. If you add first, you have 44 minus 24 is 20 over 18 over 8 over 9 over 9. If you convert to mixed fraction, you have 2 whole number 2 all over 9. 2 all over 9. Okay, 2 all over 9. Example 20. You have 7 over 9 plus bracket open 2 over 5 of 2 whole number 1 over 2 bracket close minus 5 all over 6. Here we do two things at the same time. Change the mixed fraction to improper fraction and off to multiplication. That is the step you have here. So the mixed fraction 2 whole number 1 over 2 is 5 over 2. Off changes to multiplication. By order of BODMAS, bracket comes first. And if you multiply the fractions in the bracket, 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. If you redo, you have 1 over 1. Because the other side is also fraction, let's leave 1 over 1. Enable us find the LCM and simplify easily. Okay? Note that you can always combine the operations of addition and subtraction. The LCM of the denominators 6, 1 and 9 is 18. So if you divide 18 by this 9, you have 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Divide 18 by 1 is 18. 18 times 1, 18. Divide 18 by 6, 3. 3 times 5, you have 15. So when you add 14 plus 18, that is 32, minus 15 is 17 all over 18. This fraction is in lowest form and is also a proper fraction. So you stop your solution at that point. When nothing can divide again and you cannot convert it again, so you leave it the way it is. That is 17 all over 18. Wow, you can see fractions combination, they are very simple, very simple. All right. Wow. End of lesson 4. And the voice of Petakus is saying, thank you for taking your precious time to learn and follow this lesson to the end. He is wishing you unlimited success in all your endeavors and pursuits in life and career. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. He is here to serve you. All right. If you have any question, if you have any challenge, drop the comment or contact the voice of Petakus via this WhatsApp number or send him a mail. If you also want the complete package of this topic, lesson 1 to lesson 7, you want it for offline usage, you can also contact him at a very little token. You get the complete package delivered to you. Okay, if you are not saved, you need to be saved, and the only way is to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ. He is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you, be congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. Stay out of trouble. Take care of yourself. Stay well. Study your books. And goodbye for now.